Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Sell the Trend dropshipping tool, my all-in-one platform review. Sell the Trend is a dropshipping tool designed to help entrepreneurs find winning products, automate various aspects of their business, and ultimately increase sales. It's targeted towards both beginners looking to start their dropshipping journey and experienced sellers wanting to scale their operations. Key features seem to include product research capabilities, trend analysis, and store automation. Their website provides more details about specific features and pricing tiers. They emphasize the platform's all-in-one nature, suggesting it streamlines tasks from product selection and supplier sourcing to marketing and store management. They promote the platform as a way to simplify the dropshipping process, potentially saving users time and effort compared to using multiple separate tools. They also highlight the use of AI-powered product discovery. Check their website for the most up-to-date pricing and availability. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Sell the Trend. Setting up my account was straightforward, and the initial onboarding process walked me through the key features. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even with the abundance of features. I particularly appreciated the Nexus product research tool, which helped me discover several trending products I hadn't considered before. I tested the one-click product import feature, adding a few promising items to my test store. The process was remarkably smooth, and the product information and images were imported accurately. In terms of performance, the platform felt responsive and I didn't experience any noticeable lag. I had a quick question about connecting my Shopify store and their support team responded within a few hours via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how the platform integrates with multiple sales channels. The standout feature for me was definitely the Competitor Insights tool, allowing me to analyze competitor stores and identify potential opportunities. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve for some of the more advanced features like Facebook Audience Builder. It took me a little while to get used to the various filtering options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Sell the Trend. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and I can see its potential for streamlining my dropshipping workflow. That's my overview of Sell the Trend dropshipping tool, my all-in-one platform review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.